son, basically. You know how this guy kind of like saved the world from total destruction by setting on the corn people from getting turned into belly jelly beans, and he defeated the belly jelly man, and yeah, he turned $20. Yeah, that's what happened last episode. But now corn man's like saying stuff like, and I go to McDonald's to get $20. We got, and the guy was like, oh, okay. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah. And I went to McDonald's, And then after serving a bunch of french fries, Clementine was like, so yeah, what's your name, by the way? And then the guy was like, my name's Henry. Cool, right? And Clementine was like, oh, Nate. By the way, you know that belly young man you killed? Yeah. That was only like a servant of the evil guy man. There's like a lot of servants of the evil guy man. And if you want to free me from being spirit form, you gotta kill evil god man. And in order to do that, and all the servants all the servants, and you know what, all servants have like a piece of the soul. So in order to kill evil god man, you gotta kill all the servants. Kill all the evil god man servants, and once you kill all the evil god man servants, you'll be able to kill evil god man, and then I'll be free, right? And then and then Henry was like, oh, cool. And then this Sarah man came in and was like, oh, hey, I gotta sell you something. Yeah, I want to warn you about, evil godman. Yeah, he's sending bad guys after you to kill you. So I sound like a bunch of bounty hunters to kill one. And then, the only way for those attacks to stop is if you, surrender the sword to evil godman and so the way. Okay? Bye. And Cloudman was like, oh my god. Oh, I never knew that you Godman could lift the sword. Oh wait, I did know that Evil Godman lift the sword. Never mind. And then Henry was like, wait, what? Evil Godman could lift the sword? Cloudman was like, yeah. Wow. But in order to be able to lift the sword, the chosen one needed to lift the sword first. And for him to get the sword, he had to steal from the chosen one. The chosen was, and Henry was like, oh my god. Well, they got some mercenaries helping in the cause, right? Yeah, man. Yeah. I want Starbucks coffee to kind of do stuff. And then Henry met a guy named John, and he had a shotgun. Ah, good. Henry was just like making a bunch of talking with him, like yeah, and being pretty grabbing him. And then Johnny was like, fine, okay, wait, but then Johnny disappeared. And then Henry was like, what the heck happened? And then a security guard came in and was like, I made him disappear. And only if you give me your face and you give me your sword, okay? And then and then Henry was like, what? But I don't know what my sword is. It's totally not outside. And the security guard was like, what? Wow, could you? And then Henry threw the coffee at security guard's face, and then the security guard paid, and he just died. He died and he ran away. And and then suddenly Johnny came back to life, and then Henry was like, oh wow, cool. And Johnny was like, oh my god, that was weird. Well, by give me $20 and I'll be your mercenary. And they gave him $20. Alright, cool. $20. That's Nate. $20. Yeah, 20 bucks. And I was like, wow, think about $20, man. $20, that's a lot of money. And then Henry was like, yeah, we're doing a squad now. And then Johnny was like, oh, why not, man? Yeah. Went outside until to be met by a security guard. And then they're like, oh my god, what do I do? And Johnny just shot him to the head. And the security guard died. He was dead on the floor. But then a bunch of other security guards came in and surrounded the squad like that and then Henry came in and was like, what? Oh my god, I had a sword and he did something cool, pushed all the other guys away so they wouldn't die, and then he just he got a shot, like super cool, and then he like spin around with it, and then you're like, wow, spin, wow, spin, whoa, whoa, whoa. He spat around like that, and he basically like, killed all the guys. They all died. They're all dead. Yeah. And then, yeah, and then Henry was like, wow, that was really awesome. That was awesome. Oh my god. Oh my god. I did something cool, man. Cool. Johnny was like, whoa, that was cool. Coleman was like, whoa, that was cool. And Coleman was like, oh my god, there's other here coming. They have a tank. And they was like, they have a tank? And then Coleman was like, well, I can't do it. I think I'm a spirit form, so I'll just float away. Wow. And then Henry was like, oh my god, what do we do? And then they all went to the side, ready to fight the tank, which came in like, yeah, tank. Tank, there's a tank, and it's really bad. And we got like really tank, and then there's commandeered by like some evil guy with a gun. And I was like, oh my god, what do I do? John was like, oh, good. And he jumped into the tank, and then he was like, wow, and he just stood the kill, he shot the guy, like, and then the ant died, but then he realized that was, and he thought he's dead, but then he went back, but then he was just faking, because he had bulletproof armor, the security guard, yeah, he had fake armor, so he got his gun and shot Johnny. Johnny died. He's dead. And you're like, no! I only known you for 2 hours, and now you're dead. He was pissed, so then he went in and then stabbed the tank, and it exploded, like, boom, explode, boom, everything died. And then after, like, everything was dead. Everything was dead. Everything. Even Johnny's body was gone. And then, he Henry was like, oh my god, I'm sad. No. Connie Coleman came in and was like, well, that sucks. Well, but you killed those guys like it was awesome, man. We're pretty stacked. And then Henry was like, yeah, I guess you're right. And Coleman was like, yeah, he's a secondary character anyways. And then they decided to go on the journey to find the next evil guy man servant. Now, this is the evil guy man's main servants. The three of them, they're in a team. They're called the evil guys team. And then the red evil guy was one, and they're all ordering something. I mean, red evil guy was saying how we should shoot nukes on them. Blue evil guy is how he should secretly plan to kill the sword with like machinery and stuff. And then Lego evil guy wanted to send an entire shooting armor after them. But and then they were like, what? Well, we planned something to do. How about we do all of them? But then the red evil guy was like, wait, how did they get the missiles? And then blue guy was like, well, we used the money we got. And then you know what they had? They had a lot of money. You know how much money they had? A lot of money. 100. Now like lots of $1,100. And they were pretty stacked on money. Really stacked money. Like a lot, really stacked. But so, and and also the defense was stacked. They had like a lot of army stuff. They were really stacked, extremely stacked. And then the bad guys were like, well, we're gonna send our other, and like, well, what about the death of the Jelly Bean boss man? And then they're all like, well, what do you do? Well, we don't care. We have a lot of army anyways, so we got this, but we'll kill them. And then they all decided to from the Lego to the red to the blue plan. They decided to to try one plan each time. End.